and fir tree. This is wild. You're fine. I don't know if you guys waited in TSA for a long line, but this is very impressive. When we come down here, look out here. It's gonna be like, what?
We're actually going to see her sister. She's in Terminal A, and she's like, she missed her flight.
Weird.
She was stuck in that, so she missed her flight.
We just came in Terminal A, and it was 2 hours in Terminal A. But this over here, oops, right.
Yeah, we only got 2 checkpoints over.
We actually live in Houston.
Oh, really?
Oh. D shut down and I think quarter C is shut down.
Oh,
Like, it was the only one open.
I guess
B and A.
My sister was flying in the morning. She missed her flight. And the
oh
next,
no. Oh my gosh.